how to open Nickel bank account in Portugal. So in your preferred browser, just go ahead and search for Nickel itself, and it should be the first option. Basically, the registration. You could search for registration itself, but inside Nickel, just go ahead and enter for the sign up or the registration option, and you'll be led to something like this. As you can see, the first option will show on which country do you reside, so just go ahead and enter the Portugal option. Then, unfortunately, I can't really read this, but assuming that you can, since you're asking this question, just go ahead and follow the process. This should probably mean yes or okay or confirm. Once you go ahead and choose the Portugal option, follow the prompts. We assume you're gonna have to put in your details and whatnot. So have those all prepared, and once you follow everything properly, make sure all your information is legit, correct, and nothing fake, of course. After verifications and whatnot, you'll be able to get or open an account in your Nickel Bank in Portugal. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.